Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I'm Sam.
And I'm Rose. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, it feels like we're all sitting together having a calm chat.
And before we start, if you're enjoying our lessons,
For Desire Ways.
your support means everything to us. Now, today's topic is super useful.
We're talking about how to describe your
Yes, thank you. Today, we are going to learn how to talk at the bank.
That's right. We will talk about opening accounts, asking questions, and solving problems. Everything you need.
So, Rose, how are you today? Did you go anywhere this morning?
I did, actually. I went to the bank. I had to deposit some money.
Was it crowded?
Not too bad. Only 3 people are in line. I waited maybe 5 minutes.
That's not bad. I went to the bank last week. I waited 20 minutes. So many people.
That's frustrating. But banks are always busy on Fridays.
True. Speaking of banks, I had a funny experience once, but I'll tell you later. First, let's help our viewers learn the basics.
Good idea. So, Sam, imagine you need to open a bank account. You walk into the bank. What do you say?
I go to the customer service desk. I say, "Hello, I'd like to open an account."
Perfect, simple, and clear. An account is where the bank keeps your money. Everyone, repeat after Sam. I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
Good. The bank employee will ask, what type of account? There are usually 2 types, a checking account and a savings account.
A checking account is for everyday money. You use it to pay bills, buy things, and withdraw cash.
A savings account is for money you want to save. You don't use it often. It earns interest.
Interest means the bank pays you a little extra money for keeping your money with them.
So you might say, I'd like to open a checking account, or I need both a checking and savings account.
The employee will ask for identification, usually your passport or driver's license.
They might say, can I see your ID, please? You give them your ID and say, here you go.
They'll also ask for your address and phone number, sometimes proof of address, like a utility bill.
After you fill out forms and provide documents, they'll give you your account number and a debit card.
A debit card is the plastic card you use to access your money. You can use it at ATMs or shops.
Now, let's talk about common things you do at the bank. First, depositing money. Depositing means putting money into your account.
You say, I'd like to deposit $500, or I need to deposit this check.
A check is a piece of paper that represents money. Someone writes you a check, and you deposit it at the bank.
Next, withdrawing money. Withdraw means to take money out of your account.
You say, I'd like to withdraw $200, or can I withdraw cash, please?
You can also use an ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It's the machine outside the bank where you get cash.
At the ATM, you insert your card, enter your PIN, and choose what you want to do.
PIN means Personal Identification Number. It's your secret code, usually 4 digits.
Never tell anyone your PIN. Keep it secret and safe.
Now, let me tell you my funny bank story. This happened 2 years ago.
I'm ready. Tell me.
I needed to withdraw money. I went to the ATM, I put in my card, I entered my PIN, I pressed withdraw $100.
Okay.
The machine made noises. I was thinking, then suddenly it ate my card, just swallowed it. The screen said card retained.
Oh no. What does that mean?
It means the machine kept my card. It didn't give it back. I was so confused. I pressed all the buttons. Nothing happened.
What did you do?
I had to go inside the bank. I said to the employee, the ATM ate my card. I don't know why.
What did they say?
She checked my account on the computer. Then she said, "Oh, I see the problem. You entered the wrong PIN 3 times."
You forgot your PIN?
I thought I remembered it, but I was wrong. After 3 wrong tries, the machine keeps the card for security.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. She gave me a form to fill out. 5 days later, I got a new card in the mail.
Did you remember your PIN the second time?
I wrote it down somewhere safe. I never forgot again.
Good lesson. PINs are important. Now, let's talk about asking questions at the bank. Common questions you might ask.
You might ask, what's my account balance? Balance means how much money is in your account.
Or, can I check my balance? They'll tell you your balance is $1,500.
Another question, what are your opening hours? Opening hours mean what time the bank opens and closes.
They might say, we're open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
You might ask, is there a fee for this service? Fee means money you pay for a service.
Some banks charge fees for certain things, like wire transfers or international transactions.
Always ask about fees before you do something. You don't want surprise charges.
Now, let's talk about problems you might have at the bank. Sometimes mistakes happen.
You might see a charge you don't recognize. You say, there's a charge on my account I don't understand.
Or, I didn't make this transaction. Can you check it?
Transaction means any movement of money, a purchase, a withdrawal, a deposit.
The bank will investigate. If it's a mistake, they'll fix it.
Have you ever had a problem at the bank, Rose?
Yes, last year, someone stole my debit card information.
How did that happen?
I don't know exactly. Maybe someone copied my card at a store, or maybe it was online. But suddenly I saw charges I didn't make.
What kind of charges?
3 charges. One for $50 at a restaurant I never visited, one for $200 at an electronics store, one for $30 online.
That's terrible. What did you do?
I called the bank immediately. I said, I have fraudulent charges on my account.
Fraudulent means fake or illegal. Someone else used your card.
Exactly. The bank employee was very helpful. She said, we'll cancel your card right away and send you a new one.
Did you get your money back?
Yes, they investigated. It took about 2 weeks. Then they put the money back in my account.
That's a relief. Banks usually protect you from fraud.
Yes, but it was stressful. I check my account every day now.
Smart. Everyone should check their account regularly. Now, let's talk about online banking.
Most banks have websites and apps. You can do many things online without visiting the bank.
You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, all from your phone or computer.
To use online banking, you need to register. You create a username and password.
Keep your passwords strong. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use easy passwords like 123456.
You can say to the bank, I'd like to set up online banking. Or, how do I register for the mobile app?
They'll give you instructions or help you set it up right there. Now, Sam, we have used many useful words today. I think it would be good to talk about some of these words again.
Excellent idea. Let's do a mini vocabulary review.
What word should we start with?
Well, we said the word account many times, but what does it really mean?
An account is like a container at the bank where they keep your money. It's not physical, it's a number and a record. For example, I have 2 accounts at this bank, a checking account and a savings account.
Or, my account number is 123456789.
Next word, deposit.
To deposit means to put money into your account. You give the bank money and they add it to your account.
For example, I need to deposit my paycheck. Or, can I deposit cash?
The opposite is withdrawal, to take money out.
Next word, balance.
Balance is the amount of money currently in your account. How much do you have?
For example, what's my balance? Or, my balance is low. I need to deposit money.
Next word, PIN.
PIN stands for Personal Identification Number.
It's your secret code for your card, usually 4 numbers.
For example, enter your PIN or I forgot my PIN.
Never share your PIN with anyone, even family. It's a secret.
Next word, fee.
A fee is money you pay for a service. Some banks charge fees for certain things.
For example, is there a fee for international transfers? Or this bank has no monthly fees.
Last word, fraud.
Fraud means illegal activity. Someone is stealing or using your money without permission.
For example, I need to report fraud on my account. Or, someone stole my card information. This is fraud.
So to review, we talked about account, deposit, balance, PIN, fee, and fraud.
So these 6 words will help you communicate clearly at any bank.
Well, Sam, we have talked for a while about banks.
We have. Let's do a quick summary for our friends.
Perfect. First, we learned how to open an account. I'd like to open a checking account.
We learned about depositing and withdrawing money. I'd like to deposit $500.
We talked about ATMs and debit cards, how to use them safely.
We talked important questions to ask. What's my balance? Are there any fees?
We discussed problems like fraud and how to report them. I have fraudulent charges on my account.
We talked about online banking, how convenient it is to bank from your phone.
And we learned 6 important words: account, deposit, balance, PIN, fee, and fraud.
Most importantly, always keep your information safe. Check your account regularly.
So now it is your turn to speak. We want to hear from you.
Yes, our question of the day is, do you use online banking? Or do you prefer going to the bank in person? Why?
Please write your answer in the comments below. It is good practice for your English.
For example, you can write, I use online banking. It's fast and convenient. I check my balance every day.
Or you can write, I prefer going to the bank. I like talking to people. I feel safer that way.
Or, I use both. Online banking for small things, the bank for big things like opening accounts.
Any answer is a good answer. We are here to learn together.
We will read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
So please write a sentence or 2. Tell us your banking preference.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps other learners find us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. We make new videos every week.
Thank you so much for your time today. You are all wonderful students.
Keep practicing, keep learning. Banking vocabulary is important for adult life. Now you have the skills to communicate at any bank.
We will see you next time for another English lifestyle lesson.
Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye.